recording yourself?
Okay, you are going to get out your homework from last night. And here are your answers, so you can check them. And we're going to spend a couple minutes answering any questions you may have. So because you're all such excellent, fabulous students, you have your homework written down, numbered neatly, so you can check your answers. Yes? Oh, what a bummer. Okay, so you're checking your stuff here. No, not the boss. I think. I don't know, we'll check in a minute. Okay. All right, let's go. You're checking your answers, please. Yes, if you need to move forward to get closer, that's fine. Okay, let's talk about it.
So they have to be, the exponents have to be...
Just go sit right there.
It said the exponents have to be like positive, and I wasn't sure how 121 to the 0th power could be a positive exponent.
What is anything to the 0 power?
1. Is 1 an exponent?
Nope, 1 is just the answer.
Alright.
1 has an exponent of 1. You can say 1 to the 1st power.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
I'm being T.
For which one?
For 7.
7, 15. Oh, I think you were looking at 8. 8 had a 15 in the T. 7 was just 121 to the 0 power.
Oh, I didn't write that down, that's why.
Okay.
And then 8. Oh. Oh, yeah, I just didn't look at the 11 part.
Yep.
For number 11, I got 1 over 1 to the 8th, and for 12, I got 1 over 1 to the 2nd.
Okay, so let's do number 11 first. 4 to the negative 2nd divided by 4 to the 6th. When we divide powers, what's the rule?
You subtract.
Subtract the exponents. So negative 2 minus 6 is... No, this is where we have to be really careful, is negative 8. So this is really 4 to the negative 8, and how do we rewrite that using positive exponents? 1 over 4 to the 8.
I divided 4 divided by 4 first to get 1 over 1.
Okay, so now let's be careful. Is this really 4? No, that's not really a 4. Was she upstairs? Okay, so you can take your notebook and go right upstairs. So this number, so that's why we can't do 4 divided by 4. You can't divide or multiply the bases. And then same thing with number 12.
And 13.
So the answer is 1 over 4 to the 8th. Other questions? Yep.
I currently don't understand the concept of putting the number,
What number?
25 over a to the 2nd. I currently don't understand that.
So number 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't understand the concept yet.
So let's take a look at it. 5a to the 3rd times 5a to the negative 5th. Okay, what do you want to do first here? You're going to multiply 5 times 5. Okay, so we have 25. And then what are you going to do next? Add the exponents. So what is 3 plus negative 5? Negative 2. So we have 25a to the negative 2nd. Okay? And how do I rewrite that using only positive exponents? Is that the piece where you went wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about it. What goes in your numerator? Why does the 25 go in the numerator though? Right. What exponent does the 25 have? What exponent is here? Positive or negative? Positive. Positive exponent's in the numerator, so your a squared goes in your denominator. Yep.
With that problem, I just heard to multiply 5 by 5. So
Why can we multiply the 5 times the 5?
Because, well, they don't count.
Right, they're not the base. They're not part of the power, they're the coefficient. Yep. Oh wait, did you have a response to that? Did you, yeah? Good, the commutative property, this is all just multiplication, so we could rewrite this. 5 times 5 times a to the third times a to the negative fifth, right? Yep.
Okay, I had trouble with this.
Okay, so let's look at those together. $15 and $16. 5x to the third divided by 10x to the negative third. Okay, so where do you want to start here? Okay, and how do we simplify that? Okay. And now what comes next? Okay, and then what do we do with those exponents? Good, and I'm going to suggest that you actually write down the subtraction problem somewhere because that's the big mistake we like to make. So 3 minus negative 3. What's 3 minus negative 3? Positive or negative?
That's positive.
Positive 6. So this is 1/2 x to the 6th. So now how do we write that? Anything positives in the numerator?
So 1 and 2 go in the numerator.
The 2's in the denominator because that was the 1/2. Okay? And we don't usually do a coefficient of 1. It's not necessary to put the coefficient, but that's okay. Yep. Oh wait, did you have a question on that one?
Well, I just had like a little
Yep.
thing for the minus negative.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like you take the minus sign and then the negative sign and then make a plus.
Yeah. We always add the opposite. Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm just saying for mine, number 20 didn't show up.
Okay.
So I think that's why you thought I didn't finish it because it didn't show up.
Okay. Yep.
On number 14, I got 11g to the 5th.
What's 2 minus negative 4?
Oh.
All right, so let's go back. The other question was on 16, right? You had questions 15 and 16. So 16 was 26w to the negative 4th divided by 13w to the negative 12. So where do you want to start here? Okay,
So we can divide 26 by 13.
and what do we get?
2.
Okay, and then what's going to come next?
We want to do negative 4 minus negative 12.
And what is negative 4 minus negative 12?
8
Positive or negative?
positive.
So 2w to the 8th. Yep.
Well, I didn't have 2 of these problems.
I know, I don't know why yours didn't show up. It was quite odd.
And then number, well, from
Yep.
me, it was number 8.
Well, read me the problem.
It's 5a cubed times 5a negative 6.
Okay. A cubed. Oh, this is the one we were just looking at. Okay, so what do we do here?
Oh, I see what I did wrong.
What did you do wrong?
I forgot about the negative.
You forgot the negative sign? Okay. All right, other questions? Other ones that you got wrong that you want to look at? That one feels good? Okay.